What has come over you? Why do you send our blind son to the stream all alone?
I thought you called me for something very important. I didn't know it was about that unfortunate being.
What you call our son?
Oh, please! Spare me that! He is not my son, it's your son. Our only son is up here. I don't know where you got that boy from.
Is that not my mother and father arguing again?
Yes. That's your father confronting your mother. Why should send you to the stream all by yourself?
Oh God. Not again.
Just calm down. It's just a husband and wife issue. They will solve it.
But I'm the reason they are fighting. And I don't want that.
Still, they will settle it at night. That's how my parents behave. And when they are fighting at night and you intervene, the next morning, you become foolish.
I'm surprised at your action. You of all people? See the way you treating the boy you raised yourself. Agnes!
Oh, please!
What? What you for me so?
But my problem is, why would she send you to the stream all by yourself, knowing very well you can't see?
Elorm, if you ask me, I don't know. For some days now, a lot has changed. I don't know what I did wrong.
Look, all I can say is just be careful. If you need anything, just pass by my place. And I hope you remember the way to my place.
Yes, I can.
Are you sure?
Yes, I can. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'd like to pick my leave now.
Okay.
I'll see you. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Walk well! Walk well!
Good afternoon, ma.
I have told you to stop calling me mother. I am not your mother. Huh? Onifrieni Batimos, what do you want me to do for you?
Please, mother. I am very hungry. Can I get some food, please?
Hey!
Mother, please.
Onyame, mami to boasia wati.
Mother, please. Don't mock me. I am very hungry. All I ask is food, please.
You are very stupid. Are you the one to tell me how to live my life in my own house? Foolish boy! If you think you are hungry, go to the farm and go and harvest some cassava and come and cook yourself. I don't have time for useless beings like you.
Mother, but you know I'm blind. Which eyes am I going to use to go to the farm? Please. All I need is food, please. I am very hungry.
That's your own business. You are blind, but you saw me eating. Huh? Huh? Where is that? Get out from my place. Get out and let me see something better. Foolish boy. Yeah, did you my entity? What's your phone? Say, Mama, foolish. You want food to eat. Go to the farm. Hello. Hey, Abia. How are you? I'm fine, oh. You are coming. Yeah. Okay, I'll be waiting for you. When your dad come, I'll tell your dad. Yeah! Yeah! Oh, this one. Okay.
Though his eyes cannot see the morning light, he keeps moving on through the darkest night. People laugh and people stare, but he answers pain with a humble prayer. Every tear that falls to the ground one day returns as a blessing found. The river knows where it must go, even when the traveler does not know. The sky remembers every cry, and the truth will never hide. Blind faith, blind faith. The eyes may close, but destiny waits. Blind faith. Love will find the heart it creates. Oh, blind faith. No darkness can silence grace. Blind faith. Heaven will reveal your place. A rich man's daughter heard his voice. Among many men she made her choice. Not for gold and not for fame, but for the goodness inside his name. Jealous hearts began to burn, plotting evil at every turn. But the fire they tried to send found its way back in the end. The seed you sow is the fruit you reap. The secrets of night can never sleep. What is hidden comes to light. Every wrong leads to what is right. Blind faith, blind faith. The eyes may close, but destiny waits. Blind faith. Love will find the heart it creates. Oh, blind faith. No darkness can silence grace. Blind faith. Heaven will reveal your place.
Kojo, where are you? Come and join me. Let's eat.
No, Father. Mother did not give me food. That is your food. Please eat. I went to Elorm's house and she gave me food.
That was earlier on. It's late. Come and let's eat.
No. I don't want to eat so she will start fighting with you again. Please, eat.
Poverty will make you lose respect in your own house. I can't even give orders in my own house. Now, let me ask, what happened between the two of you?
Father, I have said it over and over again. I can't remember saying anything bad to Mother or to anyone.
Because she was not like this before. And it's becoming worse.
How do you mean? She has been the one taking care of brother and sister.
You forget about that. We'll come and let's eat. We'll talk about it later.
No, Father. I am not eating. Please, go ahead, eat.
You are so hard-hearted and stubborn like your mother.
Mama never knew my face. I count the world by sound. But on my feet each morning, while hunger keeps me down. My papa left the house too soon, and she turned hard on me. A blind boy in a small room, still asking who sees me. When the party's dry, she sends me out to cry. When the cane comes down, I bite my tongue and try. I need you, God. I need you, God. Hold my broken heart.
can't believe it's been 3 years since I visited. My mom won't allow me come home. Ah, this woman.
She wanted the best for us.
I know, right?
I am the only lawyer in the whole village. Look, that is a record-breaking personality, I swear.
Okay. Massa, calm down. Calm down, cry. I'm sure there will be lawyers that will emerge soon.
Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please watch out for the next episode as we keep bringing you more exclusive and heartwarming stories on Media 5M.
I can't even give orders in my own home. Now tell me, what happened between the two of you?